This video is to guide you how to create online order zone at Firepos. First we go to Setting. Then select Floor on the top. Click Add button to create floor. First we key in floor name. Then click Save to complete. Next we select Table on the top. Click Add button to create table. First we key in table number. Select the floor we added just now. Then we tick the price code for item. This will explain to you later. Click Save button to complete. Next we select item on the top. Select the item you want, then click Edit. Now we go to Price 1. This field is linked with the price code we ticked at table setting. So now we set the price for it. Remember, click Save to save the change. Now can go into the floor and table we added to see how it works. You can see the item cappuccino is locked with the price code we select. Thanks for watching.